Hello, welcome. Emily here. Today I'm going to instruct you how to do a local pain treatment using the Healy device. So the first step in this process is opening the app on your phone, and this is the Pink Dot app. This is the direct using direct microcurrencies that connect through the wires here into the electrodes directly onto the skin. So the first step is, after you've completed opening the app and syncing it with the Healy device, the blue light should be flashing like this. And once it has picked up the connection, the next step in the process is to go directly into the pain and stimulation area. And then once you see this page, you're going to see Pain Local, which is on the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And as you can see, it shows how to place these stickies, we'll just call them the sticky electrodes, onto the skin. So if the pain is near a site where you cannot apply the stickies, then the best thing to do is, it's perfectly fine to place them just 1 or 2 inches away from wherever the area of greatest pain is. So once you have this open, the next step is to attach the electrodes, as you can see right here. Attach them to the stickies. We'll just call them stickies for now. And over time, these may gradually wear down. The best thing to do is to keep the skin moisturized, and I do that with water with a little bit of salt, and I carry a spray bottle around with me. And make sure that the skin where you're applying the stickies is nice and clean. So right now you want to apply the stickies exactly where they need to go. And also make sure that your wires are connected into the Healy when you're doing direct microcurrent treatment. So they go in right like that. Be careful because these are a little bit fragile. So now that you have the electrodes attached to the area, all you need to do is go into the app and press start. I'm going to do it on myself. Press start, and in the next screen you will see it starting the program. And what you'll notice is that there is a black, it will turn, so watch here, if that turns black, that means that there's no transmission occurring. So what you want to do is you want to play with the percentage voltage. I like to go around 25% and see if that. So this is telling you whether it's conducting the frequencies or not. So you can increase that a little bit more and see if that works. You always want this bar to remain white. And if you notice it doing a little bit of fluctuating, that's normal. But see how now it's conducting the frequencies into your body. So you want to keep an eye on it. And if you see it go black, pardon. If you see it go black, just increase or decrease the amount of voltage as you're doing the treatment. All right, well, that concludes the video for today, and thank you for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.